How to add NatWest Card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet app. Here we go. This is the default app in your device. In the case you cannot find this app in your device, you can launch your App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet and install it. Once completion of installation process, launch this app. You'll land with this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Click on it. With that, you will get different available card options. Go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. For instance, I will be selecting debit or credit card. Now click on continue. Now you are able to scan the card, or also you can choose this option of enter card details manually. For instance, I will be selecting enter card details manually. Now go ahead and type in your card details. Type in your card number. Once you type in, click on next, and then the next page you have to verify and complete your card information. Once you do that, your card details will be updated. So this way you can easily add your NatWest card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.